All right, so QQQ gapping up. All right, we're seeing the exact move I wanted. Entered off this low. Stop loss right below. Now we're seeing a 0.4% gap up. SMCI, we were talking about it before close, was debating going long. Ended up not pulling the trigger. Just all right, I wanted to manage my risk just in case we do reject this multiple rejection level. Huge level across the board. So I just wanted to be a little bit cautious. But we are seeing a 7% gap up into the next, into the, like, we're filling the gap. So 51.35 is that resistance above. Again, it is not worth it to enter there, right? Yes, it can continue and push through. It's a 52.95, but you need to think risk. You always need to think risk. So if you enter here, there's really no stop loss until 48.44, which so it's not worth it at all, right? Don't just get in something because it's green or because it's up, right? It's not worth it at all. It's literally a negative risk to reward. So you have to wait till the next setup. Okay. Yeah, Nvidia getting close to 131.26 here, which is this previous resistance. We could set an alert there just in case. MSTR pretty much flat. And that's it right now. So SPY QQQ in the middle of the range. Need to wait for setups to come to us. Okay. So that's what we'll wait for. That is what we'll wait for. Look at AMD, sure. Uh, I just look at this. Yeah, it's really nothing there. It's just slow to the upside. That's about it. SMCI pulling back a little bit. SMCI is getting pretty volatile here right before open. Um, all right, market's about to open here. Apple, yeah, there's really nothing here. Nothing much. There's there's nothing anywhere. You know, that's really that. I'm gonna scale out here at open. And that's really about it, right? I'm not trading, or I don't see any setups for a reason, you know. So don't try and force setups here. Don't try and force trades. All right, we're getting the gap up we wanted, and that's all we can really ask for. BA, I would pay to not trade that name. SMCI kind of pulling back to the middle of the range. What are we going to be up here? 50%, 100%, 70% here. Nice. 65% scaling out. Nice swing, guys. Nice swing up 1600. And that was a very small swing, too. SMCI totally pulled back. Look at this. So it totally pulled back right to that breakout point. We'll see if it can hold here. Wild move there. So bounced right off of it. We'll see if it can hold here. Set the alert below. We got 5 contracts left. We'll see if this can hold. SMCI, perfect retest so far. Tesla working its way up slowly. They have their event coming up. First $100 day. Let's go. It's awesome. SMCI totally dropping down here. So this is why, you can't get excited. You always have to play the chart. You always have to be risk first because how many people were thinking they're going to open up, a shit ton of money today, and now they're probably down. Happens all the time, guys. So holding so far. Like SMCI totally pulled back. Totally pulled back. So now we could send an alert here. If we start to push back up, we could look to enter around 48, 44. But it looks really ugly right now. SMCI is getting smacked. So right up above. Look at that. What a candle. Um, so this is a perfect reason why you don't chase. Right? Perfect reason. Nice. You took profit on SMCI. QQQ testing low a day, SPY pulling back a little bit. Right. We're totally in the middle of a range. This is not a place where you want to enter anything. Right. Wow. Look at SMCI. What a candle. We do have, yes, I was just about to say that sweep. FOMC meeting minutes tomorrow. Yeah, actually, wild candle. Let's see those gains, guys. Let's see those QQQ gains. Yeah, QQQ setting up for sure. SPY also. Just need to let the price come to us. MSTR. pushing through. MSCR working its way up. Look at this bounce now, pushing high day again here. SMCI is wow, wild move. NVIDIA testing this previous high. MSTR, we'll see if this could break above. NVIDIA working its way up here. Still, I would be cautious on anything here. QQQ swing position is up 75% here. Chipotle, what's Chipotle doing? Big move up. Tesla rejected, pulling back now. NVIDIA working its way up. MSTR below resistance. QQQ hovering. Just a breakout. I don't know what you're asking. Sent alert above high day here. Go Nick. Let's go pad. Arm. There's really no yesterday's move invalidated everything. QQQ. So far chop. Stop forcing setups, guys. Stop forcing setups. It should be clear. It should be obvious. The video rejected. Yeah. That level right there. All right. So from low a day to high day, back to low a day. Might be a quick day today, guys. Let's go, Bobby. Make that 29,000 2 months. Yeah, everyone's prepared for that hurricane. Looking crazy. Got to get out of Florida. So from up 7% pre-market to down 4% at open. Miami place. Yeah, it's all we got shutters in the windows and everything. Have a whole pump from filtration system. So far, chop. Yep, middle of the range, exactly. All cash. Good. Good, good, good. You do not want to be trading in the middle of this range, guys. No bueno. No bueno. It's setting up though, right? We got the can, we got the lower highs, higher lows. We wanna be entering over here, not here. Thoughts on SMCI long? What's your reasoning? What is your reasoning? I want to know your thoughts. Does SPY and QQ have the same setup? Um, Pretty much. I like QQQ better just because it's a little more angled. Right, SPY is not as angled. Right, we have like the lower high. SPY is more just sideways. Apple, it's nothing really. It's nothing really there on Apple. So I'm just watching my position here on QQQ. I have 5 contracts left. Yeah, nothing really here, guys. No setups, no trades. No, nothing really too much on data today. IWM sideways, SPY sideways, QQQ sideways. 12 minutes till 10 o'clock. We'll see if we kind of get any momentum there. Just need to be patient here, guys. Nothing really to look at it. Nothing really looks good. MSTR is pushing resistance, but nothing else is moving. So wouldn't really look to take anything. Sitting near high day, 8 minutes till 10 o'clock, guys. Contracts at 70% right now. New high a day here, QQQ. Look at that. You want still in runners with me? Arm. I wouldn't touch arm right now. You got one left. Nice. There we go. Contracts up 82% here. Send another alert up above. Pushing into 485, my target that I wanted. All right, we entered down here, guys. So textbook reversal off the lows. Not a typical setup I trade, but it had a decent risk to reward. And it's paying off here. right? We had higher lows, lower highs, entered. Also, we had this previous support here, which I wanted to see us hold, and we're getting that exact hold there. 90% right now. Call this out live too. Netflix pushing with no setup, right? Understand stocks can move, guys, with no setup. QQQ, 100% here, guys. There you go. Another hundo percento. Stop loss was below this low here. QQQ, we entered just because it was bouncing off this bottom trend line. MSTR, um, it's not really a wedge. You'd be playing a break of this resistance, which is fine. It's a decent setup, but I'm not forcing anything on QQQ and SPY in the middle of this range. What a move. Yep, playing the bounce. It was a typical end of day liquidity grab. Contracts up 110% here. Last night you spent the entire night researching and you took two profitable trades without emotions. I try and tell you guys. I don't tell you this stuff just because, you know, for random I don't even know. I don't just say it for no reason. This shit works. This shit works, guys. Contracts up 111% right now. I had someone this dude was like reviewing my post and he was saying, in my video. Oh, I'm gonna pull it up actually so I could read it. I watched this video I made. Um, Let me see if I can find it. The comment to my one of my videos of one of my strategies was, I don't think there's any real value being given. I don't know if you're giving your entire analysis or not, but the strategy feels too simple for it to be real. And I'm like, that's exactly the point. It's it's simple. It's literally, if A happens, do B. And that's an ICT trader. Simplicity is all you need. All right, guys, contracts over 130% here. Nice push. Very, very nice push. See if we can get through 46.25. NVIDIA pushing. QQQ, great move here. I think it's time for an omelet. I'm out of that position. Every group, every person makes their strategy too hard for no reason because they want to sound smart. They think stock trading and options trading needs to be difficult. It does not need to be difficult, guys. So textbook move. I got the exact move I wanted. Now if it continues, good. I'm out of my position. I'm up on the day, and I move on. I don't care if it goes to 494 here. All right, I exited my position. I got 135% on the trade, and that's all I wanted. But what a great move! What an absolute amazing move. Ubi hit 100% on cart, 106% on Oracle. That's amazing. That is great. Yep, P&L total was the amount made. I entered right a little above that, but yeah. Oh, I gotta update my fantasy team. I'm done for the day, guys. If anyone has any questions about anything, let me know. But we got the exact move we were looking for, and I don't like any other setups right now. My fantasy team is now 5-0. Yeah, great move. Great move. Done within the first 30 minutes. That's what EMS is about. What EMS is about. You don't have any questions about anything? Make sure you sign up for the webinar in the all announcements tab next week. Oh yeah, wait, I saw someone talk about the McLaren. McLaren W1. I haven't seen it yet. No, it looks like a P1. 1258 horsepower, 2.1 million. Yeah, Jiggy, I saw you. Yeah, I mean, looks great. 2026. Twin turbo 4-liter V8 electric motor. Kind of looks like the SF90. Yeah, I'll be live at 245. 399 built. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of pretty similar specs to the SF90, to be honest, but you're paying an extra 1.4 million. I guess, it's limited production, only 399 cars. So that's really the money, the money printer there. It's also McLaren. I wonder how many times that thing's going to break. I had a 720S and that thing was the worst thing I've ever had in my life. Meta, sure. Where's Meta? There's no setup here. Would never touch this with a 6-foot pole. I'm going to screenshot your watch list. You should be able to see it here on stream, no? The top ones are really the only important ones. These ones I never really touch. I just have these because most of you guys ask. I really just trade the same 10 names over and over again. Look where we're rejecting, by the way, on QQQ, guys. It's never a coincidence. All right. NVIDIA working its way out of that wedge. And that's it. That is it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 0 my last 10 trades. And that's with trading way less. We break that wedge. No, I wouldn't really trade this here right now. Wait for it to consolidate, and I want it to consolidate underneath. Don't force setups, guys. There's there's nothing here. Stop trading. I'm gonna start yelling at you guys. The more you trade, the more you're gonna lose. Trade less, wait for the setups to come to you. It's also 10:11. We have like 45 minutes left of this morning session, but you want to give yourself the highest probability of profiting. And STR broke through. NVIDIA looking nice. Carvana totally pushed through 182 here. Previous double top. Yep. Forgot what was it? I think Shmoney printed it out. Um, right. You'll keep losing money until you stop making the same mistakes over and over again. Yep. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Right. The thing, right? Everyone makes mistakes, you know, right? Like you got to learn from your mistakes, though. You can't make the same mistake twice. Um, and then as you grow, you're going to make dumber and dumber mistakes, right? You're going to make more expensive mistakes, but you keep going. I still make mistakes. I just make richer mistakes, right? I make dumber mistakes. Um, but then once you make that mistake, you fix it and you move on and you don't make it again. So I'm gonna hop out here. If anyone has any questions, let me know. I'll be back at 2:45. Jets just fired their coach. Damn. Wow. That dude was actually, yeah, that dude was buns. 20-36 record across 3 seasons. All right. I will see you guys at 2:45.